So what's up, guys? Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a unbox, assembly, and review of a Hoover WindTunnel Air SH40070 vacuum cleaner. Now, I know I'm moto cheese, but this does have a motor. It has two motors because it has a power head unit. So let's get going on this. They consider this an entry-level canister vacuum. Alright, so the packing isn't so great. I already received one broken. This is probably the most rugged part of the whole vacuum cleaner right here. This is a good feature. An electric powered rug agitator. This is a nice feature to have a swivel, but watch out. It's plastic pieces inside, and the first vacuum they sent me that broke. It has a decent low profile design. It'll fit under furniture to 3 inches off the ground. The hard floor tool has brushes all around. It does a decent job. Sometimes it pushes the dirt around. Now the hose assembly is entirely made out of plastic. It's a little rigid for my taste. I like a hose that's a little bit more flexible. Has the power broom on-off switch right there. Has a suction control adjustment right here. I don't like the idea of this all being plastic right here. They're calling this thing a multi-tool. The powerful multi-cyclonic canister. Look, the latch works on this one with an easy emptying dirt cup. Not that large of a capacity though. Oh, I got a wrinkle there. Nice. This is what they call the cyclone separator. It's like you take this out if the dirt gets past the cup itself. This thing I'm pulling out is actually a rinseable filter. Oh, there's the cyclones. Ooh. It says to clean this filter every 2 months unless you use it heavily. It does all go together pretty good. Assembles easily. Got a 12 amp motor. Power button. Cord retractor. This must be the air cooling for the motor itself. And here's the exhaust outlet for the HEPA filter. Yep. I have a pretty thick rug. It's a little over 3/4 of an inch pile. Let's get her ready for a test run here. Give her a dry run. Yep. Now it looks like the head's got a 360 rotation. I don't think these will stay on there too well. What the? She looks like she's all ready, boys and girls. Take her for a test drive.
I said don't disturb you, I'm cleaning my room.
Alright, I'm done. Now comes the time where I gotta give you my opinion on this thing. I've always liked Hoover. My last Hoover lasted almost 10 years. This here doesn't look like it has the quality of the older Hoover canister vacuum. I don't like all the plastic parts. The first vacuum that they sent me had the handle broken for the dirt compartment immediately out of the box. And when I vacuumed where that swivel point is on the power head, little tab broke off and came right out of the swivel head. It does have a good vacuum on it, good suction. It is lightweight. I like the power head. It's low profile. It's a nice cheap vacuum, I guess, but it's definitely entry-level vacuum, I guess they call it.
I said don't disturb you, I'm cleaning my room!